there is a time when the child is born, he has no words in his mind. He doesn't know anything. When the child looks at the tree, now I said the word already, but when the child looks at that,
Yeah.
it's there, it's obvious, there is something. But when does this something become a tree?
Well, let's say that when your mind starts to develop this pattern and when this tree fits in the pattern of the tree.
From where does he get the word tree?
Okay.
How does he know this is?
Well, he learns it from his parents or...
Before he get the information put in the mind of the child that this is a tree.
Yeah.
The child still looks at that whatever it is.
Yeah.
It is only a tree because somebody is telling you it is a tree. Without somebody telling you a name for this, it is still there, it is out of doubt, it is in existence, it is not, let's say, an illusion, it's real. The difference right now is that everything that we start to learn in this lifetime, from somewhere we learn to label everything. Labeling.
Yeah.
And this is the moment where the openness, the curiosity of whatever happened, whatever it is, it's just there, it is. But this labeling of giving everything a name, this is the reason why things along the line get restricted. Because we start to think in categories. This is good, this is bad.
Yeah.
Yeah. And it is useful, let's say, for communication amongst people. But on the other side, in another state of being, in another perspective of looking at this lifetime, sometimes it's really not necessary to use words, because the words, any words, never describe what it is. It never describes what it is. Now, the only reason we call this one right now table, because it is commonly understood and defined as table. If right from the beginning we would have said this is not called table, it's called chair, then today we would call this chair. So it's not a table, it's not a chair, it is just something we label it as. What is it in essence?
Can you describe a situation where this kind of thinking can help you, or when describing by words some things we are limiting ourselves in understanding the world?
I try as good as I can to still that everybody who also listen right now can follow a little bit.
Yes.
Okay. So I said in the moment we are labeling something. Labeling meaning you give something a word. So if I say, look at the glass, we know where to look because this one we have named glass.
Yeah.
But why do you know where to look? It is because this glass at this very moment is something else than everything it's surrounded of. So by using words, what you are actually doing, what we are doing is we're separating. Every word is defining a form. It is defining a shape. In the moment something has a form, something has a shape, there is something inside the form, there is something outside the form. You are separating. This existence is not separated.